Reliance Communications. I believe the elder brother group company is finally signed an agreement to share the fiber optic network of Reliance Communications. Sunita Nagpal, who tracks this space very closely, joins us right now. Sunita, this would be a breather of sorts and in probably more ways than one, because Reliance Jio, a Mukesh Ambani company, signing the pact with Reliance Communications.
Absolutely, it will be this was a deal that was in pipeline for quite some time. The management has been saying that this deal is in process, but they were not finalizing. But finally, this has really happened, and this will come as a breather for RCOM. Remember, they are sitting on a very stretched balance sheet, so this money coming in will help them. And if you look at the details, RCOM will also have a reciprocal access to the fiber infrastructure built by Reliance Jio Infocomm in future. So they are also leaving a possibility of using this optic fiber in future by both the parties, both RCOM as well as Reliance Jio Infocomm. So this is a deal that was in pipeline, will come as a boost for RCOM, because this will help them use the infrastructure that was sort of sitting idle for them after a lot of their clients had quit operations. So this will help them, and 4G launch for RIL will also become easier with this, and this deal will help both the parties, both RIL as well as RCOM. It's an agreement for 1200 crore rupees. We don't know the details by how money will be coming in, but this looks like this will basically be a payment for over a period of certain years, because Reliance Jio will be utilizing multiple fiber pairs across RCOM's 120,000 kilometers nationwide intercity optic fiber network. And as I said earlier also, that it is a access to both the parties will have they can use this sharing intercity fiber sharing agreement. Is it first in comprehensive framework? I'm just reading from the press release, because I just got the press release, and this is payment. Okay, this is 1200 crore is a one-time in this feasible right of use. So this is a fee for sharing RCOM's nationwide network. So they are getting this 1200 in one go, and so this is clearly a big relief for RCOM, who has been struggling for liquidity for quite some time now, and this will help them. And remember, they have also improving their operations. They have been cutting down on the free minutes that they were sitting on their books. So this will help them improve both balance sheet as well as operational performance.